We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
All right, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day. 我係 Joseph Lin。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Alex 彭。喂嘛，該喂啦。
Is that how you say hello in Hakka? 其實 Hakka 也是喂嘛。
哦，係啊。
我要確認一下。喂，是這樣嗎？
唔是嘅人有冇？常常見到唔是嘅人啊，一下講到喂，乜嘅事情，然後一聽到拍攝喂。
Okay, that depends on your tone, of course. I want to learn more telephone Hakka here, okay? Because, 最近呢有人打電話給我，我蠻篤定他是客家人，因為我當然客家還是會一點。我本來以為是你嘞 Alice。
我講的意思佢係咪講喂？
所以我就覺得他打錯了，然後我要跟他用 Hakka 講說他打錯了，我不知道怎麼說，所以我今天想要學一下。
你打唔錯嘞。
對嘛，你打唔錯嘞，就好了。
對
That means 你打錯了。
錯。
錯。That means you got the wrong number. If anyone ever calls you in Hakka and you want to say that, 你打唔錯嘞。
Hey, 你打唔錯嘞。
You got the wrong number. Okay, well, how about there's going to be scenarios where people actually got the right number. 其實有些人呢，當然就是答對啦。那答對的話，有兩個可能性，一個是有在，一個是沒有在。
冇錯。
然後要留話。我們來教一下好了。
OK。第
一個我們來教說怎麼問說，請問某某某在不在？怎麼說？
喂，你好，請問林先生有在嗎？
就是 Hello, how are you？ 請問
林先生有在嗎？
林先生有在嗎？or Joseph 有在嗎？請問 Alice 有在嗎？這樣子 just put in the name right there. That means is this person there? And one answer is yes, hold on please.
請等一下。
請等一下. That means yes, hold on please. Or maybe no, he or she is not here. Can I take a message?
佢冇在。做得老你留花麼？
最好他還是在比較好。要講這麼多話。記得查麼？
佢冇在耶。做得老你留花麼？
做得老你
留花麼？就是可以幫你留話嗎
？Can I take a message for you? Okay, so there you have it. If he or she is not there, then you can say that. It's a little bit more complicated, so let's just hope that he or she is at home, okay? That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.